What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. We're talking about four things. I just want to give you a quick update, guys. We're going to be talking about Rogue Sharks, we're going to be talking about Metabaes, we're going to be talking about HappyFans, and we're going to be talking about Galactic Geckos, guys. Before I get started, please make sure that you know that I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Anything I say or do is never going to be financial advice. Please make sure you're always doing your own due diligence and research before investing any money. With that being said, guys, let's jump right into it. And we are here on the Rogue Sharks Coalition website, guys. As you know, this is a Solana-based NFT project. These are premium-grade NFTs that are going to be minting in a range between 3 and 4 SOL on the 9th, guys. This is number one on my list. This is coming up on the 9th very soon. So keep this on your radar. Go check out my other videos on detail. But this is it for this one. And number two on the list, guys, we have Metabaes. Metabaes is also a Solana-based project, guys. They minted for 1 SOL last week, but I'm bringing this up for three reasons. Number one, the SOL price or the floor price has dropped to 1.9 SOL. Guys, these were up to 6 SOL. There are also some selling, like for pets, some with pets and some with button eyes, which are rare trades at around 2 SOL. So picking those up and holding them for a later time can be profitable, guys. Number two, the reason there's going to be an airdrop, and there will be a snapshot between now and October 10th. For anyone holding a Metabaes, they will receive a 3D animated NFT that is essentially is two Metabaes fighting. If you go into their Discord, they have some examples of those, and there are different rarities for those depending on the background color. So guys, for each Metabaes you hold in your wallet, you will receive one 3D animated NFT airdropped within the next week, and the snapshot is taking by the 10th of October. And then finally, guys, you want to hold these for passive income, guys. Any transaction that happens, they take a percentage of that transaction fee and actually use it for two reasons. One, they are using it to buy up the floor price, and two, they are using it to actually airdrop back SOL to all Metabaes holders. So over time, if you hold long enough, yeah, your Metabaes is going to be free anyway, because you will be getting weekly SOL airdrops from Metabaes. So that is it for this NFT project. I wanted to keep this on your radar, make sure that you know and are aware of what's going on. And next up, guys, this is HappyFans. I just did a video on this today. Go and check it out for a little more detail, guys, but I'm bringing this up to your attention because it is coming up on the 13th of October. So this is number 3 on the list, and that is that. Check out my latest video. And last but certainly not least, we have Galactic Geckos Space Garage, guys. This is an NFT project that is also on the Solana blockchain. Guys, these guys started at 2 SOL and they went all the way up to 60 SOL a piece. Okay, so this is pretty crazy. This has been doing some pretty good traffic, guys. If we go here and go to collections, we can see top collections in 7 days. Galactic Geckos being number 2, right? Outbeating DJ and Ape Academy. Metabaes is up here as well, which is nice to see, but they are only behind Meerkat Millionaires, which is also a relatively new one. I unfortunately missed out on that one, but guys, the focus is Galactic Geckos. Guys, if you hold one of each faction, there are 4 factions, if you hold one of each faction by October 15th, and this is why this is number 4 on the list, by October 15th, there will be an airdrop of a 5th faction going into your wallet, guys. And this is I know it's going to be tough if you don't already have some of these, because they are a bit pricey, but you do need to hold one of each faction in order to be a part of this airdrop. This is why I wanted to mention this, guys. In addition, in their lore on their Discord, they did hint at some kind of spaceship NFT possibly coming up in the near future. I will be doing a more detailed video coming up soon once more on Galactic Geckos, because I am really in love with this project. I like what they're doing. I like what's on their roadmap ahead. But guys, on the 15th, again, that's when the airdrop's going to happen. If you want to be part of that 5th NFT or 5th faction NFT, you will need to hold again one of each of the 4 factions in your wallet at the time of the snapshot, which will essentially be happening anytime between now and the 15th. That's all for it, guys. I hope that you enjoy the content. I hope that you like the video. Please, if you do like the video, hit a subscribe. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see. If there, give me any feedback on what I can do to improve. I am going to leave you at this, guys. Have a good one. Take it easy. Peace, and I am out.